What does a single television channel floating in geosynchronous orbit look like? I am Professor Otto Hertz. Today, April 6th in 1965, the early bird satellite was launched, permanently linking North America and Europe. Why is this thrilling for hams? Because satellite communication is a massive part of amateur radio. Want to laugh and learn more about our hobby? Head over to hamradiogizmos.com right now. Long before commercial entities mastered space, the amateur community dreamed up Oscar satellites. Today, hams bounce signals off satellites and the ISS using just handheld radios.